So they're right to go. Starter sends them, they're racing now. Gatecrasher away quickly along with Expressado, My Yearly Victory, and on the outside Lucky City in the line going up quickly. They were followed by Troppo Bello, ridden across from Investment Bank and Nama Bay Gold Pool. Getting back in the field then was Fortune 8 along with the favourite Special Accountant. Back at the tail is Vivacious. About to work from the back, and Lucky City at the 850 showed the way over Gatecrasher and My Yearly Victory. 3 lengths away in the field then to Troppo Bello, the outside of Expressado. Next of all is Gold Pool, and now the shade wide Fortune 8. Over on the inside is Anama Bay. 2 lengths away then to Investment Bank. They were followed by Special Account. He's under a bit of pressure and he's a long way back, and Vivacious tailed off towards the bend, and Lucky City still travels quite strongly over My Yearly Victory. They're broken away from Gatecrasher. A gap into Troppo Bello, followed by Fortune 8. Next of all is Expressado. Special Accounts not in the picture. They've got 250 metres to go, and Lucky City still nicely clear. He's out with a big break over My Yearly Victory. Troppo Bello running on with Gold Pool and Fortune 8 down the outside, but Lucky City for Fidels. He's a mile in front. He's 5 lengths in front of Troppo Bello, Gold Pool. Fortune 8 runs on well with Special Account late, but Lucky City wins easily. Second Troppo Bello, third maybe Fortune 8 from Gold Pool, but close up on the outside Special